Yes, so the Champions League football don't come back. Chelsea won, Zenit St. Petersburg 0. On the match no easy. Zenit them they no complain normally. They give Chelsea 1 or 2 wahala, but Chelsea normally they secure the 3 points because now 3 point that sure pass. And we get Oga Kesta here, make can tell us about how he see the game. Oga Kesta, Chelsea secure the 3 points. But we know say the 3 point no easy, but Chelsea deliver and that one nine be the main cocoa. But how you see the game, Oga Kesta?
That game tough. I fear I'm not gonna like for now. At the time, I would have said Zenit go score because of the way that they play. You know, understand? But thank God we overcome.
No be lie, no be lie. But in general, how you see Chelsea performance? Because the first half be like say Zenit block everywhere for that first half, but that second half be like say when they go inside dressing room, Thomas Tuchel tell them 1 or 2 things before the coffee break the Zenit team. So, but how you see that changes when it happen between the first half and the second half, which Chelsea can score?
Scale of 1 to 10, I'll say 8. I'll give Chelsea 8. Another thing I give say the coach, if was let's say for stick to a plan,
Yes.
it changed their pattern. For second half, from what I see, he won't go do attack. He won't attack more for second half because for first half, he just lose the ball. Then they change to 5 defenders, 3 midfielders with one person on top of the front of the midfielders more and their striker. So that one they get numbers for midfield past Chelsea. So that's it. They make Chelsea play as though they feel they see the ball. That means if you look at for first half, it be like saying that let Kovacic play better pass Jorginho for first half because Kovacic they move. So I think the coach and way because they like say change. You want attack more proper attack. Now they won't give Chelsea for second half, but that one that comments them up.
All right, now no be lie. Um, to me, because this Champions League group stage matter, that this first match, it dey matter well because if you start where you get better advantage, say yes, you fit up the group and you fit still qualify. So Boga Kesta, this 1-0 when Chelsea don't win. So now what do you think say mean for Chelsea for this group?
I don't know. I told you that before now. I said I'm back to back, and I still stand by my word. Chelsea gonna win the Champions League. You know, understand? The
Yes.
1-0 go long way. You know, you go if you win waiting there your front. Any point where if you collect them now. Because that Chelsea group, I be the say go easy one kind for Chelsea and Juventus.
Juventus.
But it's not obvious now say the team a 3-man horse race. Not be
So
only two.
it's be like Zenit go push body join one kind.
Yes, from what is they play against Chelsea today? If they play anybody for that group, it go hard though. Unless maybe the initial grab, but if not be initial grab, if not the plan, then make Chelsea and Juventus make them ready. Zenit Petersburg not come carnival and board they come play. So,
Yes.
but altogether, the good say Chelsea collect the 3 points.
Okay, now no be lie. Make we go the player rating now, Oga Kesta. Make we start with Edward Mendy. Now, what you go rate him on a scale of 1 to 10 from to the game?
Well, I don't really see what I want to rate him because it don't really work that much. Well, he coordinate the lines well. So for that, I'll give Mendy 6.
Okay. Then what about Aspilaketa?
As for Lequeta, I'll give him 8.
8. Okay. Then what about Christensen?
I'll give you the 7.5.
Okay. Rudiger, uncle.
8.8. 8 thereabout. 8.
What about Rich James?
7.5.
Kovacic.
Hmm. I will give 8.5. I will give 8.5.
Then what about Alonso?
7.
Okay. Mason Mount.
7.5.
Hakim Ziyech.
6.5.
Romelu Lukaku.
Romelu. I'll give Romelu Lukaku. I'll give an 8. He scored goal. He hold the ball. Chelsea players, they're not that quick. The space between Lukaku and the midfield too far. Now, if not, I see few instances, especially for speed supposed to score. Yes, he holding of the ball. Excellent. I mean, hold the ball well. But person not there to run, commit time. So, he's going to score. So, I'll give Romelu Lukaku 8.
Then what about Kai Havertz?
5.
Okay, Ben Chilwell, Thiago Silva, and Ruben Loftus-Cheek. They're not to play long time. Now, what you go give them? No rating, eh? You know if you rate them.
Jorginho.
So now, who can be your man? Yes, Jorginho. I thought they missed one player.
Jorginho play ball. He play ball. Jorginho play ball. I'll give her. I think give her 8.
Okay.
My man of the match. I give Kovacic 8, right?
Kovacic. Who you give 8.5? Aspilicueta.
Aspilicueta, that's my man of the match anyway.
Okay.
Cesar Aspilicueta. I forgive Kovacic, but sometimes for the second half, he go fail, come up for the game, he go come back. First half, now I really play well. You know, they play well for first half. But my man of the match, I give it to Cesar Aspilicueta.
Okay. So Aspilicueta, man of your match.
Yes.
All right, now, no be like Oga Kesta. Congratulations to you and all the Chelsea fan. Make we hope say when I go use this on our 3 points. Take shine, you understand? Take do 1 or 2 before the weekend go reach. Weekend go reach again. Chelsea get another big game for inside the weekend. Okay, now Oga Kesta, thank you as you give us your time for this post-match interview. You too much.
Okay, now later now.
Yeah.